Some legends never die, and some weapons hold a power that transcends time. 4 months, this project has tested skill, patience, and resilience. A full-scale, 3D printed replica of the legendary Sleepy Hollow Headless Horseman Sword, meticulously designed, carefully assembled, and now, finally complete. From the haunting snakehead pommel to the fierce, battle-worn blade, every inch of this sword was crafted with precision. But this journey wasn't without its challenges. Disaster struck. The blade broken in half. Weeks of work, seemingly lost. But some things are worth fighting for. Through resilience and problem-solving, the sword was reborn, stronger than ever. And now, after months of dedication, the 1-to-1 Headless Horseman Sword is ready to be revealed in all its glory. A masterpiece of 3D printed replica modeling, featuring a metallic, battle-worn finish, gem-like eyes in the snake pommel, and a fully custom display mount, bringing this legendary weapon to life. This is more than just a replica, it's a tribute to craftsmanship, patience, and the passion that fuels every creation at DressArt 3D. Want to own a piece of this creative journey? Support future projects by exploring our collection of professionally painted miniatures, custom commissions, and exclusive merch only at dressart3d.com. The legend of Sleepy Hollow lives on. And this is just the beginning.